Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Azure ML login issues, tenant and subscription errors step by step clearly. First, identify the error message you are encountering during the Azure ML login process. Common issues often relate to tenant and subscription settings. Ensure you have the correct Azure account credentials at hand. Visit the Azure portal and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you face a tenant-related error, check if your account has access to the correct. Navigate to the Azure Active Directories section to verify your tenant settings. Confirm that the tenant associated with your account matches the subscription you are trying to access. Next, check your subscription status under the Subscriptions tab in the Azure portal. If your subscription is disabled or not active, you will need to resolve this first. In case you have multiple subscriptions, ensure you are working with the correct one linked to your project. If you need to switch subscriptions, go to the Subscriptions section in the Azure ML workspace. Select the desired subscription and set it as the current active subscription. If issues still persist, clear your browser cache or try accessing the Azure portal from a different browser. You may also attempt to log in using an incognito or private browsing mode. If you continue to encounter errors, consult your organization's IT department to ensure there are no restrictions. Finally, reach out to Microsoft Azure support if the problem remains unresolved after trying these steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.